ahead and back that beautiful big blue Landstar W900 with the big turbo wing on top. That is a sweet looking truck. Yeah, man. Back that thing on in here and let's get ready to catch another great episode of the Trucker's Table. Let's get it started!
Robbie's got a gold watch. Don't seem like a whole lot after 30 years of driving up and down the interstate. But Robbie's had a good life, and Robbie's got a good wife.
It's a beautiful morning in South Alabama. Not really south, more like central Alabama. We're between Montgomery and Birmingham. And it seemed to be a little fender bender. When will people learn to pay attention to what they're doing? The way I understand it, it was just a one vehicle involved. I don't know, maybe two. I see a truck over in the ditch. Although they might have been trying to avoid the wreck. Woo, we're trying to get our bus to the house. Yes, sir. Thinking about spending the night at the house tonight. Just get up super early in the morning. It's only about a 3.5-hour drive down to Brooksville. So my appointment's at 8:30. I get up and leave the house around 3 a.m. Maybe leave the house around 4. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I ain't decided yet. But I am thinking about picking up the duck man, Ducky Duck, bringing him along with me. So we'll see. He got a haircut. Yeah, a haircut and 2 bits. So he'll be a little skinny mini. Man, I gotta tell you, I am truly blessed, okay? I have a great family, and I have some of the very best friends that I have met through YouTube. And I don't see a scenario where we wouldn't be friends in the future, you know. Regardless if I'm doing the YouTube, trucking, or whatever, we stay in contact with each other. They're really just such good people that I've met, and I just feel so fortunate. The majority of them, the people that I've met that I've become real good friends with, are people that I can easily identify with, you know. Condon and Erica Blackbeard, Anthony Blackbeard, and Serena, his wife. Matt, Nomad Trucker, Jennifer. Mr. Provost and Mrs. Provost, wife Provost. My buddy Jim. wife yet, but I met Jim. And same with my buddy Big Joe out in Texas. You know, I haven't met his wife yet, but you know, I met Joe. And I know I'm leaving some people out. You know, Pale Rider, you know, and his wife. There's so many wonderful husband-wife combos that I've met out here. Not many single men, to be honest with you. I haven't met many, you know, single men, single women. Most of all the people I identify with and have formed good friendships with, you know, are people similar to myself, you know, who are married and associated with truck driving in some form or fashion. So it's just been a truly good blessing, you know, and I hope I have given to them as much as I know I haven't, but I wish I had given as much to them as they've given to me, friendship wise, and I just man, oh, my buddy Tom, you know, me and him been friends for probably a decade. Him and his wife Linda. I mean, just so many people. I know I left somebody out, and I apologize. But it's just, man, Mr. Charles, he's got a wonderful wife too. I haven't had a chance to meet her yet. It's just, you know, so many great people, and I've been so fortunate, so lucky, making such good friends. Mr. Jesse, you know, he's got a great wife. He talks about his wife all the time. Wonderful lady. And it's just, I've been so fortunate, you know. And I'm so thankful for all of them, you know. Going forward, you are going to hear a lot of my friend Erica from Chasing America. You're going to hear a lot more of her music on my channel. I say her music, basically what it is she picks out these awesome songs that we all know and love, and she performs them in her, you know, she does her version of the song. She sings it the way she wants to sing it, the way she feels comfortable singing it. It sounds really awesome. She's done so many great ones that I love, and you know, she's done Patsy Cline, Dolly Parton, Kathy Mattea, Bob Dylan. No, I'm leaving out a lot. I know I am. But she's just done so many great, you know, musical numbers. And so I'm going to start featuring a lot of her music during the driving scenes and stuff. And I want to incorporate into my opening a song that she did just for me and Teresa, 18 Wheels and a Dozen Roses, and she actually customized it for me. And I listened to it. She sent it to me the other day, and I listened to it for the first time, you know, and I ain't lying. I started crying. I was like, I just couldn't believe it. It sounded so good, and you know, the way she personalized it for me, it touched my heart, and I don't know. I can't put it into words how blown away I was, and that she would do that for me, you know. There we go. A little Jake break to break up the sadness, happiness, crying myself, or whatever. But yeah, all these great friends, man. I love them. I do. I'm so thankful for everything I have. We get down there on the south side of Montgomery, going down through Troy, Alabama. Alabama, and all down through there. I'll play. I'll record some of that scenery, and we'll do a little video montage going down through there. So y'all hang around. There's a lot more to come. Well, we are getting off Interstate I-85, and heading down south. We'll be cutting down 231 towards Dothan, Alabama. There's a cool Hank Jr. song about that mentions Troy, Alabama. Let's see, what is it called? The Party Is On. Troy, Alabama on my GPS. Florida Gulf women, Lord, they are the best. Cola is coming in sight. Give me 2 dozen raw. I'm gonna eat them tonight. Man, I wish I had some questions.
Troy, Alabama on my GPS. Florida Gulf women, woo, they are the best. Appalachia Cola is coming in sight. Give me 2 dozen raw. I'm gonna eat them tonight.
I gotta work on some different camera mounts and stuff. Man, this load that I'm hauling is 43,000 pounds. And when I say 43, I don't mean 42,800 or 42,900. I mean 43,136. So it is not a light load. Yeah. You can sure enough tell it's heavy load. Stopping, starting off, everything just, oh man, it's so freaking heavy. I did a quick check from the time I got fuel in New Paris, Ohio, to the time I got fuel this morning in Dye City, Alabama. And my this load is so heavy. My fuel mileage 5 miles to the gallon. 5. Not 5.2, 5.5. 5 miles to the gallon, man. insane. How does an engine use a gallon of diesel in only 5 miles? That is crazy. That's like turning on a water spigot, just water pouring out. That's crazy. 5 gallon, a gallon every 5 miles. Wow. I gotta leave these heavy loads alone, man. Start trying to get lighter loads. Yeah, lighter loads would be nice. That one load I picked up in Shelbyville, Kentucky, going up to Wisconsin, weighed 604 pounds, man. I might as well have been empty. I wish they could all be like that. But we got a PM service done on the truck last night. They had some issues with the oil pan plug, drain plug. They happened to have one in stock, so they sold it to me. So we got a new oil pan drain plug. The differentials, the front differential looked like the fluid had not been changed recently or in a while. The one on the rear looked perfect. So I had them change the differential fluid in the front differential, and he said there's some issues with the drain plugs on them as well. They need to be replaced. So I got to go to the Freightliner place in Tallahassee. I say Tallahassee, it's really Midway, Florida. And I got to get I just bought a new leveling valve and put it on, and it's leaking, right? So they said it may be a malfunction. So I'm gonna take it back and see if they'll replace it. If not, I'll just buy another one and try a different one and see if it works. Because something's not working right, I gotta figure it out. Dang, front end rattling. So I need to do that. And I don't know if that truck's turning. Yeah, nope, yeah, nope, nope, up, yep. Okay, I see it now. And so we're gonna get that. We're gonna get the drain plugs. We're gonna get. Seems like there's something. Oh yeah, air compressor. I need to get some information on the air compressor because they changed the air dryer filter. It had some oil in it, which makes me wonder if my air compressor is going bad, needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the part number on that, see if they have one in stock, and I'll probably end up either buying it if they have it in stock or ordering it online and keep it in the truck with me just in case. And everything you need to change it, and try to get that done when I take off in March for mine and Teresa's anniversary. So anyway, we're gonna head on down here to Havana, Florida. So enjoy the ride and enjoy the music of Miss Erica Callahan from Chasing America. Go give them some love. Check out the channel. Alright, y'all don't go to work.
Somebody's knocking, should I let him in? Lord, it's the devil, would you look at him? I've heard about it, but I never dreamed he'd have blue eyes and blue jeans. Well, somebody's talking, he's whispering to me. Your place and my place, well, which will it be? I'm getting weaker and he's coming on strong, but I don't want to go wrong. He must have tapped my telephone line. He must have known I'm spending my time alone. He says we'll have one heavenly night. My fever's burning, so we ought to be right at home. Somebody's knocking, should I let him in? Lord, it's the devil, would you look at him? I've heard about him, but I never dreamed he'd have blue eyes and blue jeans. He must have tapped my telephone line. He must have known I'm spending my time alone. He says we'll have one heavenly night. My fever's burning, so we ought to be right at home. Somebody's knocking. Somebody's knocking. Somebody's knocking. Well, somebody's knocking. Somebody's knocking. Yeah, somebody's knocking. Somebody's knocking. Well, somebody's knocking.
All right, we done made it down from Troy, Alabama. We're down here close to Ozark, Alabama now. Rolling on down to 31. So I hope you're enjoying the music. That was one of my favorite songs. Brings back a lot of good memories from my younger days. That used to be one of my favorite songs. The original artist on that, Terry Gibbs, you know, is blind. But man, she did a great job with that song. So really proud of Erica and the music she's putting out. It's pretty good. So here's one of my favorites that she does, and you'll recognize it right away if you're a Dolly Parton fan.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like the breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Jolene, Jolene.
Well, we are at the end of the road. We're fixing to jump out, drop our trailer, bobtail to the house real quick. Got to run to town, get some parts, do some things, and take a shower and shade. I'll get cleaned up for supper tonight. And I hadn't decided yet. I'm kind of leaning towards leaving out late tonight and driving down, and maybe do my 10-hour break down there. I hadn't decided yet. I'll do a 10-hour break here most likely, but I could probably get by with just doing like an 8-hour break here and then taking off. But I don't want to do that. I'll probably end up doing at least a 10-hour break here and before I head down that way. So I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'll do some more math on it. Because we got at least one load booked for sure coming out of Jacksonville going up to Virginia. So we're gonna be on the East Coast. And most likely we'll pick up the dump man. It's gonna be some cool weather and he's got a short haircut, but I'm gonna take his sweater in case he needs a little extra something to wear when we're outside. And so he'll probably be okay. I'll get him in the truck, keep him good and warm. But anyway, I just want to thank everybody for coming along with the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the music. I love it. I love it. I really love what Chasing Erica has been able to do, doing the cover songs and everything. I think it's amazing. I love it. But anyway, thanks for all the love and everything you've been showing my channel and my friends' channels and stuff. You know, anything you see down below in my description box, you can click on it and not worry about it being spam or a bunch of BS. Because the only links I put in my thing is people that I know that are my friends that I would do anything for. You know, good people. Jason Perry, who just started the channel, This Tour Life, Chasing America, Pale Rider TV, Matt Nomad Trucker. There's a bunch of them out there, and if I put their links in the bottom for you to click on, you can safely do it and not worry about it. The other link down there, I believe, is a Landstar link. If you ever were interested in coming over to Landstar, there's a link down there to start that process. So I always have that in every video because, you know, and I don't hide it. I'm a Landstar advocate. I don't get paid to do it other than what I work out here. But I believe in Landstar, and they've been good to me, and I've made a lot of money to help my family through them and everything. So I'll always, most likely, unless something crazy happens, I'll pretty much always be an advocate for Landstar. So there went Roman Senior, adult Roman. Matt and him's got a big Great Dane named Roman. That looked just like him, except full grown in that pickup truck that just went by. But anyway, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everything y'all do for the channel. If you hadn't already done it, jump down below, click the like button. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, and be sure you ring the little bell icon so you'll be notified every time we upload a video. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're hustling. We're trying to make that money, more money, more money. So we're just going to keep moving forward. And we're always going to keep punching.
Bad shit crazy and your neck is red.